Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Tonight we're having a second kick at the cat in terms of the MDF sharpening wheel. I got a couple of comments, especially one from Dan Menzel, who suggested that I use a different type of rouge and use a more acute angle. And that got me thinking, and I think I found my problem here. We'll see in a while if that's the case. I've got no issue keeping that angle straight, but as you're going along, you're moving up and down the MDF wheel, and that changes the sharpening angle dramatically. So what I did was I took some hot glue and just stuck on this little piece of MDF that I cut a little hole in it. So now, at least now I know that I'm not doing this, so I can keep that one steady and then run it through like that, and hopefully we've got something better. Then along with that, he suggested I use some green rouge, but I couldn't get hold of any, and we're currently sitting in a lockdown, so I won't be getting any, but I thought let's give it a bash in any case. What I did find before this whole COVID story was an RCC12S by Torcraft, which states a cutting and buffing compound for steel, stainless steel, chrome and aluminium. That's as close as we're going to get. I've started embedding it into the MDF wheel. I'm going to do some more, and let's see what we can get out of this, and let's see if we can get an answer. Alright, not giving you guys an answer. Right, gents, moment of truth. I've got here a little scrap piece of paper. Let's see if it's, what we can get out of it. Oh, much better. Gents, and there we have it. The MDF sharpening wheel is definitely a success. Well, now it is. Previously it wasn't, but now it is. I battled a bit to get the sharpening angle right on the money, but I think we got it there much better. This knife is actually sharp now. It is actually very sharp now, and it took me all of, well, let's call it a minute and a half. I think this is going to become my go-to sharpening now. Like I said, this helped a lot, because now you can actually keep the angle without moving it up and down the wheel, and I think that's the crux of the matter. But also the burnishing compound, you can definitely see, I don't know if you'll be able to see the edge on there, much better. There we go. Gents, just a short little video. Thanks a lot once again to Dan for making the couple of suggestions. It really worked out well. I'm going to call this video here. As always, please rate, comment, subscribe, and chuck something in the comments if you want to see something else. And remember, people, stay safe out there.